Welcome back to Tech Unlimited. Is this a familiar feeling? You start your day with a full charge, but by 10 a.m., you're already staring at that dreaded red battery icon. It's the kind of tech anxiety that can ruin a perfectly good morning. You're not alone. And the good news is, you don't have to live like this. Today, we're not just giving you a simple tip, we're giving you back control over your device's lifespan. This one setting change is so powerful, it can literally double your screen on time. If you're ready to reclaim your battery life and make it to the end of the day with power to spare, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get into it. Ever notice how your battery drains even when you're not using your phone? You leave it on your desk for an hour, come back, and it's dropped by 10%. What gives? The main culprit is a feature that sounds helpful, but is actually a silent battery assassin: background app refresh on iPhones and its counterpart, background data, on Android. These features are designed for convenience, allowing apps to fetch new content, like social media feeds, news headlines, or emails, so everything is instantly updated the moment you open them. But that convenience comes at a steep price. Your phone's processor is constantly working, pulling data and sipping power, all for updates you might not even need. Now, let's bust a huge myth. Many people think that constantly swiping away your recent apps saves battery. In reality, on modern smartphones, this can actually make things worse. Those apps aren't truly running, they're in a suspended state. Forcing them to close means your phone has to use more power and resources to relaunch them from scratch the next time you need them. The real power drain isn't the apps you've left suspended, it's the ones that are secretly active in the background. So, let's stop swiping and start managing. Alright, Android users, let's start with you. The path might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer, but it's generally the same. Go to your settings, then tap on Network and Internet, and find Data Usage. From there, select App Data Usage. You'll now see a list of all your apps, ranked by how much data they've consumed. This list is your battlefield. Tap on an app that you don't need updating in real time. Think about games, shopping apps, or news aggregators you only check occasionally. Once you've selected an app, you'll see a simple toggle labeled Background Data. Just switch it off. That's it. You've just told that app it's not allowed to use power or data unless you've actually opened it. Be strategic here. You'll probably want to leave this on for messaging apps like WhatsApp or your primary email client, but be ruthless with everything else. Now for the iPhone crew. Your journey is just as straightforward. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, and then tap on Background App Refresh. At the top, you'll see the Master Control. Tapping it gives you three choices. Off is the nuclear option. It disables background activity for every single app. Wi-Fi and cellular data is the default and the source of our battery woes. The sweet spot for most people is Wi-Fi. This is a brilliant compromise. Your apps can still update when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, which is usually when you're at home or in the office and near a charger anyway. But the moment you step outside and switch to cellular data, it stops all background activity, preserving your precious battery. For even more granular control, you can leave the main setting on Wi-Fi, and then go down the list of apps below and toggle off the ones you never need updating, like that airline app or that photo editor. So what's the immediate result of this simple change? It's profound. When you disable unnecessary background refresh, your phone stops wasting power on updates you didn't ask for. This means less CPU usage, which not only saves battery but can also make your phone feel faster and more responsive. It also means less background data drain, which can actually save you money on your mobile plan. Most importantly, you're reducing the number of charge cycles your battery goes through, which extends its overall long-term health. You're not just getting more juice today, you're making your phone last longer for years to come. Try this hack today. In fact, do it right now while you're watching. Dive into your settings and see which apps have been the secret energy vampires on your device. Drop a comment below and let us know which app was your biggest offender. We'd love to hear about it. And if you found this useful, help us out by hitting that subscribe button to Tech Unlimited. tapping that notification bell, and sharing this video with someone whose battery always seems to die before lunch. We're all about real hacks with no fluff. See you tomorrow for another tip.